will massacre you!
Alright, what's the damage?
You got syphilis.
What? That's crazy. How about 300 and some sexual favors? For your daughter, perhaps?
How about 600 and I punch you in the face? Without protection. Without protection. Try it without protection.
You guys will not believe what just happened to me.
Yeah, little kitty. I do a meow. I do the meow.
What is wrong with this guy? Nah, 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 nah. I mean, life-changing. What'd I do? I didn't change my life, per se. I changed my PID tuning. It's more than some tuning. It's more than some tuning. I changed my gyro frequency. Hello? Oh, FPV Jesus? I was wondering if you got my text message. I lowered the D term. And I'm going to determine that this fucking shredded harder than I've ever had anything shred. Dude, I almost got cut by how sharp, cheddar, cheesy fucking grinned I was about how well this flew. Like night and day. I went from being like hashtag trash bag to fucking FPV Johnny 5.8. Dude, just like the early 90s, this fucker was gone. It was out of here. I could not believe. I still can't believe. I just realized how incredibly important it is to have a good tuning. I know what you're thinking. But Beans, it's not a tuna. Okay. What does that have to do with my quad just... Maybe you guys should look into making sure your quad is in tune as well. This is brought to you by Beans' Tuned Quad. Isn't that fucking great? Yay! Was it really that good? Yeah. Now I'm absolutely serious, guys. Like, I have to figure out a way to capture this so I can share it. And all I got is the crappy battery with the charge on it. I don't know how it's gonna work. In addition with Rib-a-doop-doop chat bear. Rib-a-doop-doop-doop chat. Oh, it's so dumb. And here it is. Even in its horrible, crooked, taped up, busted ass, flying by the seat of my pants, FPV abomination. I feel that this should capture the essence of the awesomeness. And I also believe that this bullshit, even with a messed up battery, way too much tape to like to bring out in public, and it being heavy and wrong, just wrong all the way around, I'm still gonna have a rippin' ass session. I mean, I bet you. What do you think? You might be right, but hey, guess what? Let's go see. Let's go find out. Are you ready? Neither am I. Let's go. Quaff. Man, the weather is shitty looking. The wind is up. We're going to give this a shot. We'll see what the neighbor thinks. Good day, neighbor. FPV abomination. I wanted to catch some video because I just like tuned this thing really awesome. Wanted to share with my friends. So as you can clearly see, crudely taped on there. I don't know how it's going to perform. I don't even know if it's going to like what it's going to do, but I'm going to give it a shot.
What about weight?
It will do it.
That vertical weight gonna be transferred in how it handles and all that?
Let's take a seat here. All right, I'm gonna give her a bit of a rip here, and we'll see how she does. All right, arming. Let's see if it's got one more left in her. All right, here we go. Arming. Watch out, Lolly. Uh-oh. Broke the lens off. Oh my god, look at what happened to this battery. It is so hot, I can barely touch it. I feel like at any moment this thing can spontaneously erupt all over everything that's in here, including my face. I'm gonna go put it outside real quick. So I have no clue if that like recorded. I can't see what's going on due to all of the tape. Hope it did. Well then, in delusional conclusion, I think I'm onto something. Maybe everybody needs to change their equipment and format. Stop going with run cam. Stop going with your GoPros. I mean, it's unnecessary. It's really becoming obsolete when you have the Sony HD USB interface blogger, now available at Walmart. It's got a flippy dippy. There's the buttons for touching, and then when you touch them, they do stuff. Camera, still in one piece. Still operates within reason. Lens cover is missing, which is fine. It was kind of holding me back. As soon as you get it, the first mod you're going to want to do is get that lens cover off there, because that's where all the weight is. It was fun. I brought my Phantom 3 out to like do some footage. I was going to send it up, and then I was going to power loop it some shit, but it just didn't really happen like that. Every single thing was against me. The only thing I had going for me is the fact that the tuning was just tits. Absolutely just gorgeous. Voluptuous. Bursting with milky success. Pids, it's a big fucking deal. Programming your quad in such a fashion. Whole other deal, man. Like going up, throttling up into doing your flips and rolls and whatever the heck you feel like doing, a Rubik's Cube and the reverse frickin' rusty trombone, whatever, insert trick name now. Yeah, just go ahead and put it in the comments, and I'll just sign it. Good things happen when you type in the right numbers and abbreviations, terms, smoke signals. When you do the right shit, when you set your equipment up right, it makes a big deal. Should you be listening to me about how to set it up? Not a good idea. I'm not a professional. I don't have a degree in this. I somehow was blessed by the FPV spirits. And I may never have another opportunity like this. Not only to get another quad that's even close to like this decent, and I know you boys out there that's like, dude, you're flying a piece of shit. I'm like, yeah, I know, but this piece of shit, it's gonna help me send it. And I've been talking about doing renovations and not posting videos until it's done. So, in conclusion, I like FPV. Would you like to be my FPV pal? Geez, pal. Blank. You sure are a good FPV pal. And I think you are super swell and should eat a blank. Bye. Get the hell out of here.